Let's take a look at the 56G MezzaWave from TE Connectivity, a family of connectors and cable assemblies designed for high-speed data transmission in demanding environments. With systems scaling across data centers, edge computing, industrial automation and beyond, designers consistently face a set of challenges: higher data throughput, tighter board real estate, and the need for reliable performance in harsh environments. In these systems, interconnects are becoming increasingly susceptible to electrical and mechanical failures. The 56G MezzaWave supports data rates up to 56 Gbps, and being based on an open pin field array architecture, it provides designers with routing and grounding flexibility required for the next generation modular systems. The family includes 18 connector variants and 2 cable assemblies for where board stacking is not possible. The cable assemblies are available in 300 and 160 position variants constructed with a 36 AWG cable and a 50 ohm signal path. The connectors cover pin counts from 80 to 560, stack heights between 7 mm and 10 mm with a 1.27 mm pitch. Since dedicated 1.6 amp power pins are consolidated into the connectors itself, the number of separate components needed in a system is reduced. The 56G MezzaWave drop-in compatibility allows existing components to be replaced without a complete board redesign, reducing the engineering time and cost. Further, the BGA technology also reduces cost on the manufacturing side. Ruggedly built, the family is rated for up to 1000 mating cycles and can operate across a temperature range of -55 degrees Celsius to +125 degrees Celsius. It meets VITA 57.1 FMC and VITA 57.4 FMC Plus standards for compatibility across FPGA mezzanine ecosystems. To learn more about the 56G MezzaWave or to place an order, check the DigiKey links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.